flames keep burning, the smoke fills up roads.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey you guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this beautiful unit on my head. This is a new unit from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. I'm wearing it in the style Catalina in the color number 2. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and how I got it to look like this, just stay tuned for this video.
Living, sinning inside of the fear of missing out. I watch them paint a pretty picture with a steady handed out. Cropping their realities to master fact they're actually a sadism mentality that they've been phasing out. Raising doubts within reality inside of themselves. And living in comparison, disparaging they fell. The lie that they've been selling us, propelling us to hell. Get sense of self-attached to social status and others' woe. Cause they don't ever wanna be forgotten. For the ones that at the bottom when the world is finished writing. When the world has got you bitter shit, I'm sorry that you won one, but I'm here to tell you I prefer to excel and I am on one. Some can hurt, none can hide. Everything is kept inside. The pride will never be set aside. The light that determines will always rise.
I'm gonna advise you to turn your phone off for 1 second and listen what I got to tell you. You trying to fit in with them stories and them lies they tell you. Always believed them when they told them y'all would ride together. Give up your dreams to sit inside and just get high together. You make them smile and sit behind them in the shiny weather. But you died inside a while ago, it's now or never. What you blinded for, you can't sit back and hide forever. Gotta take the push, get out the box and get your life together. Fuck them if they judge you. Believe me, I was different too. 19 at 5 feet and wasn't eating food. Young homie on the hustle, yeah, I speak the truth. Had to sleep inside the car for like a week or two. It's just a fallback, you get it when it call back. Take the right fork, the left fork's always folding traps. It's just a fallback, you get it when it call back. Nah, take the left fork, the right one's always folding traps.
Okay, you guys, so I definitely wanted to try this unit out because I feel like there was a lot of hype about it and I just wanted to see if it's living up to the hype for myself. And for me, I feel like it honestly is. Now, this unit does come with your typical 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. It does also come with an adjustable band. First off, I just want to say, if you do have a larger head, this unit is most likely going to give you some issues. My head is on the smaller side and it was a bit of a struggle to get it to where I wanted it. It kind of slid back on me. So if you do have a larger head, just definitely beware that this may not be pandered towards you. So let me just come in and show you what it's looking like. I am living for this lace. Like, they are killing this right now. I love the fact that even though it only has a singular parting, they went around and gave you that lace all around the front, so you just get that more natural look. I feel like it was 100% worth the buy because I did not have to put really any work into this. This is definitely going to be a throw on and go unit. Pretty much all I did was just cut down the baby hairs a little bit, swooped into my liking. Luckily they weren't super thick, so I didn't have to comb them into the hairline like I do with some other units. So all I did was cut them down, swoop the baby hairs into the hairline, and I was good to go. But honestly, with the beauty of this unit and the way that it falls, I feel like you don't even need the baby hairs. I didn't even need to add heat. Initially I thought I would because it was feeling like a little bit humpy at the top, but all I did was just take my brush and brush it down some. At first I styled it in a ponytail, so that sort of helped get it to lay the way that I wanted. So I actually didn't need to use any heat. Of course you definitely could because it is heat friendly up to 400 degrees, so if you wanted to add heat you definitely could do that, but I just kind of felt like I didn't need it. The texture of it is really nice. It's ridiculously soft. I'm really loving the length. I'm 5'3" and it's coming like to my boobs. I love the layering of it. I love the curls. I think it's just really pretty, and I love the fact that I had to put in minimal work to get this to work. The texture, I want to say, is like a very soft yaki. It's definitely not silky, which I like a lot. The density, this is everything to the front, so it's a very natural density. It's definitely not thin, but it's not super thick either. I feel like it's perfect and right in the middle. So let me just give you 360. And I just feel like this would be a really cute one for Valentine's Day, especially if you want a like low-key glamorous look, but you don't want to put a bunch of work into a unit, and you also don't want to come out of your pocket and spend a bunch of money. I feel like this is definitely going to be worth it. The hairline, I feel like, is definitely the selling point on this. I feel like the fact that they added that melted hairline definitely is selling it 100% for me. Like, I'm loving this unit. I'm definitely loving this unit, and I can definitely see what the hype is about. It is soft Swiss lace. I just added a little bit of concealer and I was good to go. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I'm hoping you guys are liking this as much as I am. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any other units you want me to pick up in any other colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.
Living, sinning inside of the fear of missing out. I watch him paint a pretty picture with a steady handed out. Cropping their realities to mass the fact they're actually a sadism mentality that they've been phasing out.